Let's make some sweet and deliciously floral Shole Zard using Tilda pure basmati rice. To prepare this fragrant Persian saffron rice pudding, we first must grind the saffron so that all its color and flavor can be absorbed by the rice. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of ground saffron over the ice cubes in a glass and set them aside to melt in a warm place. Then combine the slivered almonds and cardamom powder with the rose water. If you are using rose water essence, you can dilute 1 teaspoon of it with a little water and use it the same way. Set it aside until later. Now add the rice to a bowl or a strainer and wash it by adding water to it, moving it around with your hand and draining the water. For Shole Zard, it's enough to repeat this process 2 to 3 times. Then let the rice soak in water for about 15 minutes. Once the 15 minutes are up, gently grind the rice corns between your fingers to split them into smaller pieces. The whole process should only take 1 to 2 minutes. Drain the soaking water and transfer the rice to a pot. Add 1.9 liters of cold water to it and bring the water to a boil. Once the water is boiling, reduce the temperature to low and skim off the foam from the surface. Add the cinnamon stick and let the rice simmer gently until most of the water is absorbed by the rice corns or evaporated. This will take 15 to 20 minutes. Now add the saffron water and stir until the rice pudding is evenly yellow. Next, add the rose water, almonds, and cardamom to your Shole Zard. Once everything is well combined, add the sugar and stir it in. Let the saffron rice pudding simmer gently until it has the desired consistency. Keep in mind, it will firm up as it cools down. Lastly, add the butter and stir it in. Now it's time to decorate. Transfer the Shole Zard to portion-sized bowls and decorate it with cinnamon powder, slivered pistachios, and edible flower petals, if you like. Enjoy it hot from the pot or let it cool down and store it in the fridge to serve cold. Enjoy!